So it's been an hour here since I soaked them with the food and nutrients because they have a lot of flowers now. So they need a lot of foods to eat. Look how big is that. So let's gonna go this. Nice. So this is like a toilet paper or some kind of thing or any cotton. You're gonna wipe them, especially in here, guys. So that you don't do the rot crown. You only do this in the summertime. In the winter time, I won't do this kind of thing to give them this to the max, soaking a lot of water, and even here in the rot crown, because if you do that in the winter time or colder time, which is coming soon, they will rot and they won't propagate for you. They won't thriving. So you only do that in the summertime, or where the weather is nice and hot and humid. All kids love it. So in the winter, I do different way. Probably instead of once a week, or if it's really hot weather, twice a week, I just only do that in the winter, like once a fortnight. Sometimes I do once a week, but only in this corner here in the bottom. But if I do in the winter time, like every 2 weeks, I just give them only here. Only if the roots is turned into silvery though, like this one color here. See, when they turn the roots like this, any kind of plants, orchids or any flowering stuff, when they turn silvery and wrinkled, meaning they needed water. But if they are green like this and like this, see, they are hydrated. So keep them hydrated, which is good. Don't avoid them really hydrated a lot. So you need to hydrate them. And in the winter time, if their leaves is not green like this, and it's still nice color and stuff like that, yeah, leave them. So now I going to transfer it where I'm gonna display them and put these old roots in the bottom. Cheers, guys. That's how I do them. Carefully, these long roots die. Amazing. As you can see, they're dry now. So I'll do the rest, give them nutrients and water, and I'll do this one too, especially the root crown. So dry, but often in summer, really hot in daytime, I don't even give them like this. They'll dry in jiffy or quickly.